Hi, welcome to Business Tips, the place where successful entrepreneurs come to get inspired. If you are new to this channel, please join the family by hitting on the red subscribe button below and also hit on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Without wasting much of your time, let's ride.
Top 5 African countries to invest in real estate. A real estate boom is a natural byproduct of emerging market growth via rapid urbanization and expanding middle classes. As growth moderates, particularly as seen in Asian markets, the rate of construction activity remains rapid. According to the PwC report Real Estate 2020, only boosting investment opportunities. The report notes that by 2025, over 60% of all construction activity is forecasted to take place in emerging markets, up from just 35% in 2005. The commercial sub-sector of the real estate industry provides great opportunity for returns as Africa's economic boom is sustained. Of the near 23 million square meters in shopping malls in Africa, 21 million square meters sit in South Africa and 0.5 million square meters in the sub-Saharan Africa, excluding South Africa. Similar figures are found in the office space subsector. 2 million square meters in sub-Saharan Africa, excluding South Africa, as compared to 4 million square meters in North Africa and 15 million square meters in South Africa. Navigating a blank slate in many instances, real estate investors approach the continent with the mixed ambition of Michelangelo and Donald Trump. Yet, any veteran real estate investor will characterize it as the Africa opportunity. Commercial real estate can surely earn worth of 25% per annum return, but only after navigating unexpected hurdles, including poor urban planning, unfinished neighboring infrastructure, that is, unpaved roads, and unreliable local developers. If you can stomach the risk and find the right partners, these 5 countries offer the greatest opportunities. Number 1, Nigeria. On the surface, Nigeria is the real estate investor's dream canvas. It is Africa's second largest economy. Its 170 million plus population loves to shop and consume. As companies flood the market, office space is lacking, such that prime office space rents as high as $85 per square meter according to local renters. The Ikeja City Mall, a 28,500 plus square meter mall in Lagos, which was backed by London-based private equity firm Actis in 2011, is unofficially considered the second mall to open in the country. Numerous malls have opened throughout the country since 2011. Even the recent boom in commercial space might not meet Nigeria's rapidly growing demand. Still, investors must approach with caution. Corruption and regulatory ordeals come without warning. Joining with a strong local partner is accordingly necessary to avoid the downward spiraling effect of a reactionary approach amongst unexpected obstacles you can assume to come. Number 2, Kenya. The growth of Kenya's middle class and the country's robust economy bids well for commercial real estate. The country may not see the same growth in malls experienced in South Africa, but the country is starting to hit a similar trajectory as economic growth projects well for the long term and tourism finds its footing again after the Westgate Mall terror attack. Office rents have moderated as office space supply, as reported in Kenya's The Star, will exceed demand by 2016.
Hi, my name is Rofo Chifu and you are welcome to HR and Systems Limited. Do you intend to invest in Cameroon or in Africa? Then contact us at HR and Systems Limited for your professional business plan writing, business feasibility studies, investment viability checks, and company formation services. My team and I are willing to move from Cameroon to any part of Africa just to set up your business. Call us today, send us an email, or visit our website on www.hrnsystems.com for more information. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.
Number 3, Angola. Often lost in the discussion of emerging economies is oil giant Angola. A growing middle class in Luanda makes the country an attractive hub for commercial real estate investors. As oil prices stay high, global companies flock to the country to capture a piece of the consumer market. Data on office space remains opaque, but local developers estimate that rents for prime office space goes as high as $100 per square meter. The growing pockets of Angolans have sprouted new malls with luxury occupants. The Sky Gallery, scheduled to open in June, will include Prada, Armani, and Gucci brands amongst many others. Once the mall reaches full occupation, the total cost of the project could exceed $85 million. According to those closely associated with the project, investors warn, however, that these success stories should not obscure the true challenge in Angola of finding a dependable and capable developer who can navigate the country's unclear property laws. Number 4, Tanzania. Offshore natural gas and a growing middle class underscores the changing real estate landscape in Tanzania and the country's global reputation. Yet, as a country on US President Barack Obama's Africa tour, hotel supply barely meets demand. The situation will gradually worsen as the gas comes out of the ground. Prime office space rents as high as $45 per square meter, and new businesses are starting to arrive. So expect the price to increase. Accompanying high-class apartments and condominiums for executives operating in these new facilities rents out as high as $8,000 per month. Rapid urbanization in Dar es Salaam and improved infrastructure has gradually created fertile ground for commercial property. Still a relatively new concept. Local investors predict a rapid boom in a high-rise commercial headquarters and multi-story mall in the near term. Number 5, Ghana. Prime office space in Ghana may be of interest to real estate investors, as rents go as high as $50 per square meter. But it is not office space that has real estate investors giddy. One single mall dominates the discussion in Ghana. The Accra Mall, which reportedly attracts nearly 4 million visitors per year, is so busy that locals suggest carpooling to the mall on weekends as parking is limited. The West Hills Mall, which could be completed by the end of the year, should relieve congestion at the Accra Mall. But if real estate investors are only partly correct in their projections, both malls will be clogged on the weekends, and the third mall will supposedly be required to ease the congestions. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, like and share, and above all, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope to see you in our next video.